In the bid to strengthen the counter-insurgency strategy, bolster security measure and ensure the safety of citizens, Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren launched the Mine Protected Vehicle, that is MPV, for Manipur Police at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles today. The introduction of the MPV, specifically designed to withstand mine explosions and other hazardous situations, represents a strategic investment in modernizing the Manipur Police operational capacity. Many top officials, including DGP Rajiv Singh, attended the event organized by Manipur Police Department. 7 MPVs out of the 10 which were ordered were displayed at the program. The remaining 3 MPVs are also expected to arrive in the state shortly. Later, Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren took to his social media handles and said that with the ever-vigilant service of Manipur Police, the addition will enhance capabilities in ensuring the safety and security of the citizens. Quote-unquote, together we will continue striving towards a safer and more secured Manipur, the Chief Minister also said.